So hello, uh, right now we are here in the school, Bukidnon State University, and we are making a multi-tenant. So this is our challenge for today. Uh, okay, remove this and comment line. So what we can do here is to create a rectangle first. So let's position this to center. Okay. Absolute margin auto, top 0, bottom 0, and left 0, and right 0. Then we can just add a width. So here, make this double the size. Add more 60, 70, 80. So make this 300 pixel. And voila, it's the right, just the right size. Now change the color to this, and we almost forgot the background. Body selector, background to this color, and then just like a piano tiles here, let's rename the class to piano because it's like a piano. Then class here. And then we can create the keys of this piano. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keys. So we can duplicate this and rename this a key 1 up to 5. So key 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, then copy this this style of piano. Rename this to key 1. Then the color, just like the background, and then the height and the width. So let's adjust this. The width is just 30 maybe, and then the height, no, this is key 1, and then the height is maybe, let's assume this is 60, 50, 60, okay, 50, 20, and push this to the bottom. To push this to the bottom, just apply a top value here. Okay, add the height, obviously 60, and then this is centered. Push this to the left side, put a negative value here, 100, 100 maybe, 250. Then create a key 2, copy this one, rename this from key 1 to key 2, then just adjust the size or add the size, 180, 70, 150, 160. Okay, I'm just adjusting the size here. So let's just copy this and paste here. Rename this from K2 to K3. The left side, let's make this center. Let's remove the negative sign. And for this right part, this key 4 and key 5, key 4 and key 5. To have an equivalent keys like the left key to the right key, we will just revert this, or reverse the value from negative to positive. So what I mean is, here you can adjust the horizontal placement of this thing like that. Wait. Okay, 100%. Stop.